Hey Rachna, I heard you quit your full-time job.
Oh, yes, that's true. I'm a freelancer now.
Wow, that's amazing. But how are you managing your finances?
Well, I invested in a mid-cap fund to create a financial cushion.
Mid-cap fund, what's that?
A mid-cap fund is an equity mutual fund that primarily invests in companies ranked 101 to 250 by market capitalization. These companies are typically in their growing phase, aiming to provide a balance between potential stability and potential for risk-adjusted returns.
That sounds interesting. I think I'll look into it too.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.